Why hello there, and go tuck yourself. But first, let me show you how to do it. So a little detail about tucking. Around the time that you're born, the testicles descend through a canal and into the ball sack. Fun fact, those canals are still there and you can gently manipulate the balls back up inside and out of the way. Now, if you haven't done this before, try it before you mess with tape. Most people are able to do this quite comfortably, and this is the best way to get your testicles out of the way. Long story short, everything else is going to get pulled back between the legs, and then we're going to tape it all in place. Break out that razor and do some shaving because you want to be smooth, clean, and dry down there. A little bit of stubble's just fine, but don't put tape down over the jungle. So first of all, do not get any adhesive on the tip of your penis. That would be very bad. Don't ask me how I know this, but trust me. So, we take a piece of tubular gauze, slide it halfway over the tip, and we're going to give it a little bit of a twist just to close it off. And then we're going to fold it back down over itself. Now, you can snug this up by massaging the gauze lengthwise, and it will tighten up around there. And that's it. Now your sensitive bits are nice and safe, and we're ready to play with tape. Now, do not pull the whole piece of backing paper off because you will wind up with a giant sticky mess on your hands. What you want to do to start is remove about 2 inches of backing paper, like so. You're going to want to stick this bit of tape to the pubic area just above the shaft. And go ahead and rub that with a little pressure, get those edges burnished down and get that tape to grip really firmly so you've got a good foundation. Next, with the tape started, you're going to kind of reach around behind the tape and get everything tucked. So manipulate those balls back up into the canal, and then I like to reach around from behind and between my legs, and I pull everything back. I kind of use a couple fingers to hold the balls up and pull everything back between my legs and hold it from behind, okay? Then with my free hand, I can remove a little bit more of the backing paper and apply more tape. When you do this, do your best to keep the tape tight. You'll get a tighter tuck. So remove some backing paper and then pull and apply a little more tape. Now, before long, you'll find you need to switch hands. So what I do is I take this hand, I support everything from over the tape, okay? And now I take the free hand, I remove the rest of the backing tape, the backing paper, and I grab the tail end of the tape, and I pull this back and up between my butt cheeks and apply the tape right at the small of my back. Now again, go ahead, rub those edges down, get the tape nice and firm, but that is basically how to tape yourself for drag.